All right, last example, it's Keith. His survey about his classmates, 6 people responded, and it's about how many brothers and sisters they have. So we have 1, 3, 1, 2, 2, and 0. So we found the mean last week. We're going to find the median and mode now. So why don't you go ahead and do your first step to finding the median. You must do this step. If you started putting them in order from least to greatest, good job. If you didn't, now you know, and please do that now. Hit pause and then unpause once you think you have the correct order. Here is the correct order. Remember, there were 6 responses, and if you see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I have 6 numbers, so I know I didn't miss any. Now I got to find the middle. Now 6 is an even number, so my middle is right here. It's this 1 and this 2 are the closest I can get to one number being in the middle. So what do you think I have to do? What do you remember when you have an even number of values in your data set? Why don't you write down on your paper what you think you have to do, or at least think about it in your head? All right, if you said take those 2 middle numbers, this 1 and this 2, and add them together, and then divide by 2, then you're correct. We have to find the mean of these 2 middle numbers to find what would be the middle of these 2 numbers right here. What is halfway between 1 and 2? So the only way to figure that out is to take 1 plus 2, you get 3, and then take 3 divided by 2, this means divided by, and you get 1.5. So let's write that down on our paper. We got 1 plus 2 equals 3. Even if we did that in our head, just write it down. Then we'll write 3 divided by 2 equals 1.5. And then the final step is to write median colon 1.5. Now let's find that mode. Going back to our ordered data. Mode is any number or numbers that appear more often than the rest. Is there most popular numbers in this data set? Well, I see we have 1, 2 1s and 1, 2 2s. So in this case, we actually have 2 modes. So on our paper, let's write this down. Modes colon 1 and 2. You can have 2 modes. You can have really unlimited modes. You saw before we had 1, which is usually how it is, and then we saw how we had none. So it's possible to have modes. Mode is the number that appears most often or more than the rest.